Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit different as this video clip will show. Listen to this. So I think it's broken, Mum thinks it's gonna blow up the house. That sound can't be good at all. Is it broken? Is it unfixable? Let's find out. So here we are. This is the back of the clothes dryer. I'm going to remove the back of the dryer to see what's making that ruckus. I reckon it's a fan belt making the noise. What do you think is making the noise? Put your answer down in the comments. Now I'm removing the exhaust outlet. Look at all that lint. That can't be good for the old dryer. Seriously, this could have caught fire. Let's inspect. This cloggage must have been reducing the efficiency of the dryer. With the back off, I can see more dust build up and some interesting parts. Here is a seal. Here is some more lint hiding some bearings. Here is the belt that is connected to the fan. Notice how loose it is. Instinctively, I thought it was connected to the drum, to spin the drum. Now let's dive deeper. I am now taking off the vent ducting. Here I inspect the grate, and I'm surprised and shocked at the lint stuck in the grate. Just preoccupying myself. It's not every day I get to see the inside of a clothes dryer. I see how much lint has built up on the side of the electrical heat and time panels. This is quite concerning. I wonder if I need a dust mask. There is so much lint. Now back to cleaning. This is an overheating sensor, which automatically shuts down the dryer when it gets too hot. Look again at how loose that belt is. Actually, I am concerned. This is the motor, and it's completely covered in lint. Another fire hazard. Look at all that lint. How did it not catch fire? Here is the fan and the fan belt. So much lint. I managed to clean the base of the dryer as it was entirely covered in lint. I had to scrape at the lint as it was stuck on the surface. Moisture and static have cemented the escaping lint to the surfaces. Here is the control panel for the timer and heat intensity. This is the air intake. Behind the intake is the heater. The fan at the back of the dryer pulls the air through the heater and the drum, drying the clothes. Here I investigate and find a giant lump of lint. I investigate the belt pulley and the belt pops right off. Now I am seeing what it does. It spins the fan, so it must be the fan belt. After spinning it around, I discover a split in the fan belt, so I will definitely replace this. So how am I going to get the belt? And how do I find a replacement? Wait, I know. Let's have a look at the model number. After entering the details into a web search, I find the exact brand I am looking for. This website shows me all the different replacement parts for this model. Now continuing down the page, my eyes catch the image of the fan belt I need. Looking at it, it is a different colour to the actual belt I've removed. Unsure if this is the same one, I look at the page and it tells me it is the right one. I look at the page in front of me and there is a blue option. It probably doesn't matter about the colour, but I want to replace like for like. Now I'm making sure the amount of belts are 1, because I really don't need more. I add it to the cart. So this is how much lint we have. Quite a lot. Why is there so much lint? This must be a design flaw. This could easily have caught fire, starting a house fire. Mum will be pleased I prevented this. I wonder if she'll call me Fireman Sam. Always make sure to take proper care of whiteware, removing lint and dust buildup. Thank you so much for watching.